Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to find web page element using class name and tag name in a Selenium. So let's begin. In this tutorial I have explained about the selector hub extension which is used for finding the locators in the Selenium. So let's begin. Create a new file, right click on Python project and then click on Python file. Enter the file name here, locate underscore tag. Click on Python file. Next, we need to import the Selenium WebDriver and then initialize the WebDriver. Enter here URL is equal to, enter the URL here. Next, we need to navigate to this URL. So here we will use driver.get string and the URL. Now, copy this URL and enter URL here. Now, we need to find the locator of this field. One is username and password, and then click on this submit button by using class name. If I right click on this, click on inspect and then click on selector hub. Here you can view the tag name is available, which is input. This is input type and the text, and then name is equal to username. Here name is available and ID also available. If I right click on this password field, here you can use this tag name, both are same. So in this scenario, we cannot use 2 times input here by using tag name. This is not ideal approach. If you have only one field, for example, only password field, then you can use the tag name, because this both values of the tag name are same. So it will not enter the username or password in this fields. So first here we need to do locate the element by ID, which is password, and then I will show you how you can enter the text by using tag name, which is input. So let's begin. Here tag name available, which is input. Copy this tag name. Username is equal to driver dot find element by tag name. Enter the tag name value, which is input. Here we need to enter the username. So we will use here username dot send keys. Enter the send keys value here, which is username equal to student. Enter student here. Now locate the element by ID. Right click on this password field. ID is password. Copy this ID. Password is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. Select the ID and enter ID is password. Now enter the password dot send keys. Password is password 123. Password 123. Now I will show you how to click on this submit button by using class name. Right click on this button, inspect, and then click on selector hub. Scroll down. Here class name is available, which is btn. this is button. So here button ID is submit. Here multiple ways for locating this element by ID. ID is given which is submit, and the second is class name which is btn. Copy this class name btn. Submit is equal to driver dot find element by class name. Click on class name and enter the class name which is btn. Here we need to click on this submit button. So use submit dot small right as on submit dot click. Let's add some wait here. After navigate to this URL, time dot slip 3-second wait, and then after clicking on this submit button, add some wait here. Time dot slip 3-second. On this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and enter the username by using this tag name, and then enter the password by using this ID locator, and then click on the submit button by using class name. Right click and then click on first navigate to this. Here we can maximize the window by using maximize command. First enter username, password, and then click on submit button. Login successfully. Few are the locating strategy in a Selenium. Class name and CSS selector, ID, name, link text, partial link text, tag name, XPath. These are the different locator you can use. That's for today tutorial. I hope you find it easy to understand how to locate elements using class name and tag name in Selenium. If you learned something new, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to SKO World for more easy tutorials on automation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.